So in this Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to edit text size on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up, which it is right here, if I were to go ahead and type font size right here, as you can tell, the font is going to go ahead and stay the way it is. There's no way to make it larger or smaller. Now, if you want to go ahead and change this, go to the top right to where there's the paintbrush icon, select that, and then just scroll down to where there's a bunch of different options here. And where it says size, if you were to go ahead and increase it, you can make the text size larger. So if I were to go ahead and type right here, I can say font size. And as you guys can tell, the font size is a lot larger. If you want to double tap it, for example, and you want to edit this one in specific, you can make this one fall smaller while keeping the other one larger. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to edit font size on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.